Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn off always full zoom on your YouTube videos. You can see when you just play, you can see when you just tap on anything like this, friends, you can see I am zooming right now, but it is in the full zoom. How you can turn it off? First you have to open settings. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First open general settings, and here it is zoom to fill screen. If you have not to fill screen, then you have to turn it off always zoom, so that video fill the screen in full screen like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.